Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So, looking at the title of this video, you all must be thinking there's something cringy gonna happen or that I'm gonna enact into some girlfriend acting way too cute. But there's something different about this video. So people who are in a relationship can relate to this on a spiritual level. But who are single can take notes. All the single guys deep down inside they must be thinking कि भाई अपन को लड़की मिल ही नहीं रही है, पट ही नहीं पा रही, क्या क्या नहीं किया उसके लिए। दीपिका पादुकोण जैसी नई लड़की मांगते अपन को, बस एक अच्छी लड़की जिसका दिल अच्छा हो, फैमिली वगैरह अच्छी हो, सपोर्ट करते, बस वही मांगता और कुछ नहीं। फिर एक दिन भगवान को तरस आया, ने बोला ठीक है तेरे को तेरी जुरू देता हूँ मैं, संभाल के रख। नाउ द गाय गेट्स द क्यूटेस्ट जुरू ही एवर वांटेड. Juru and the guy both are going very smooth until they cross the 3-month phase. Now after the 3-month phase, Juru acts so cute that the guy is dying of diabetes. So I'm going to put forward some most relatable situations in a relationship in where the girl is so cute that the guy is left speechless but he can't resist it. Hey, listen now. Does this look good on me? Is it looking okay or something? Oh, no, I mean tell me honestly, man, because I'm gonna meet your mom. No, I'll let you know. Can you just focus 2 minutes? Yeah, I'm gonna meet your mom. I'll call you back, huh? फोन पे बात कर रहा था यार. अच्छी लग रहा है, अच्छा लग रहा है. It's looking perfect. Nothing is perfect. To be very honest, पीछे से थोड़ा सा अजीब लग रहा है, but everything is fine. Do you even like me? I tried to put in some situations where the girl is so welcoming towards the guy's female friends, where the guy was left shook for a second. नेहा से कुछ ज़्यादा क्लोज नहीं हो रहा? नहीं तो ऐसा क्यों बोल रही है? She was constantly talking to you. Normal दोस्त है मेरी. We don't even hang out. We are just classmates. And you were even replying to her. उसको स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही थी इसलिए मैं उसकी हेल्प कर रहा था, ठीक है? She always asks you for notes, हाँ? I've seen a lot of times in the class. ऐसा क्यों बोल रही है यार? प्लीज, हाँ हमेशा वो ही नहीं होती है. तू भी जाता है उसके पास नोट्स मांगने के लिए. अगर तुझे नोट्स चाहिए तो मुझसे मांग लेता था यार. क्या बात कर रही है तू? तू दूसरी स्ट्रीम में, मैं दूसरी स्ट्रीम में हूँ. तू साइंस स्ट्रीम में, मैं कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम में हूँ. तुझसे कैसे नोट मांग सकता हूँ? Why don't you just tell me that you don't like me? What? There are times in a relationship where हमें पता होता है कि हमारी पार्टनर एक मिस्टेक की है and they apologize for it and it actually takes a lot of courage to accept your mistake and apologize straightforwardly. I have put in a situation where the girl is accepting her mistake and apologizing to her partner in such a way that the Cupid itself left the chat. Hey, I just want to tell you that I don't want any grudges between us, okay? I just want to apologize for whatever happened today. Sorry for what? I'm sorry for checking your phone all the time. And sorry for spraying mosquito repellent in your car. And putting a mouse trap in your bag. Mouse trap in my bag. What were you even thinking of? You know right how much I hate mouse. I thought, जो सिर्फ अपनी फिगर क्यों है यार? You even know वो कितनी जोर से लगा मेरे हाथ पे? Why don't you just tell me that you don't like me?
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो.
After you overcome that 3-month phase and you've become much closer to your partner, you know about your partner's choices, likings and disliking. That's called understanding. But here in this case, the word understanding never existed and the word telepathy said, I'm cancelled. How could you do this? Look, I'm so sorry, but can't you see तुम्हें इससे फायदा होगा? Do I look like I care? You don't care? I care. What do you mean by that? अर्जुन, तुम्हारा काम तुम्हारी लाइफ का एक हिस्सा है, जैसे कि रिलेशनशिप तुम्हारी एक लाइफ का हिस्सा है. इसका क्या? लुक, मैंने तुम्हें बताया कि दुकानें बंद हो चुकी थी, ट्रैफिक था, मैं नहीं लेकर आ पाया ब्लैक मास्क. जो मिला मैं वही लेकर आ गया. तुमने ये मास्क इसलिए खरीदा जिससे कि तुम अपने लोगों को इम्प्रेस कर सको. What do you even want? I want you to understand that. You pluck your nose in front of me. Can't you understand that my favorite color is black? तुम फिर भी white उठा कर लेकर आए हो मेरे लिए. मुझे black mask चाहिए था, white नहीं. And what's wrong with your accent? तुम्हें बिल्कुल समझ नहीं सकते हो ना. You know what? I know you don't like me. Just break up.
Finally!
Break up, ठीक है. जा बहन जा. I don't want to be with you. कभी वापस मत आइयो बहन जा. And then finally the guy admits कि उसकी जुनू कितनी sweet और cute है. ओ भाई साहब, फोटो देख के तो लगता है भाभी की बड़ी cute है. हाँ, बहुत cute है. We girls have jumped to conclusions so many times that I think we should take part in Olympics for high jumps. Just saying. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel because I love making videos. And let me tell you, this was a light-hearted, sarcasmic-ish, comedy-ish video. So please don't take it seriously. And one more thing, please stay at home. Don't go out because the earth is getting hotter than me. It is technically a bad news, so we have to save this world by sitting at home and watch my videos. So I'll see you next week. Till then, bye.